He is joined by his fellow Israeli Alondre as the other change to the starting lineup in the center of the park. Jimmy Villalobos coming in for their first starts of the season. Just moments away from kickoff for the first time in AV Alta history. They come up against a South Georgia team that has missed the playoffs the last 2 years, but looking to get back on track with an early regain. And Tunbridge, our player of the week, spraying it out wide on a quick start for South Georgia Tormenta. Whipped into the box by Niall Reid-Stephen. He was the captain of that team for the past couple seasons and has made an immediate impact as the ball chased down in the channel. Tunbridge challenged by Pelivanov, and it's sent out for a Tormenta throw. Reid-Stephen seeking out Bazini. Bazini's presence in the starting lineup means a drop to the bench for last year's leading goal scorer, Sebastian Vivas. Came away with 12 goals in all competitions. Now it's Jonathan Nyandjo working his way around the corner. Patient, and in front of goal, Reid-Stephen blasts it over. The best chance of the match in the 6th minute, created by Nyandjo. Stephen fluffed his lines, and now a goal line scramble, and the opening goal for Tormenta. It's Yaniv Bazini capitalizing for his first professional goal. And a historic night going wrong within 7 minutes for AV Alta. What happened here? It was a goal kick that was resulting from the huge miss from Reid-Stephen. Well, at least he didn't have long to hang his head as Ávilez caught on it. Bazini won it. Bazini tucked it in. Heads in hands for AV Alta. And how about a sigh of relief for Niall Reid-Stephen. Chaos in the opening 10 minutes. And calamity playing out of the back for AV Alta. Nyandjo down, and the whistle gives a free kick to Tormenta. Welcome to the 2025 USL kickoff presented by Terminix. Throughout the month of March, the USL will be kicking off across the country. Join us for all the action on ESPN and CBS Sports platforms. Tormenta taking place in opening weekend. They had the first match of all in League One. AV Alta with the benefit of having a little bit of film to watch before this one. Bazini taking it down. Chest control, he spins and finds Nyandjo, pulling him wide. Defended by Alassane, into the box! And it's South Georgia doubling the lead 15 minutes in. The ball in from Nyandjo. And it looks like Bazini with his special shout out to the 661 supporters group, the official supporters group of AV Alta. They're watching from Miranchito in Palmdale tonight. And we heard that the party is going, drums and all. Nyandjo Deflected by Ávilez. Robledo making inroads. And now AV Alta dropping it back. Sebastian Cruz working against Alves. Bazini sticks a foot in but doesn't win it. Back out to Cruz. Back post ball. And Desdune just couldn't decide whether to shoot it or take a touch. Cruz again, shoots, may have been tipped, and it was by Austin Pack, a stellar save. Cruz finding himself in a pocket of space. Pack and the referee immediately spotted a touch. It was slight, but it was just enough on that firecracker from Sebastian Cruz. Play continues. A touch from the referee. Back post header out to the top of the box. Cruz again. Didn't catch this one. Losing control of this contest in terms of the run of play as the half went on. Can't be much time left now. One last foray into the hands of Pack, and the shutout is complete. AV Alta's League One debut ends in defeat.